Meet the kitchen game changer. Bravo Pro Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Crispier results, faster cooking, compact design for busy homes. If you want to check the price of the Bravo Pro Toaster Oven Air Fryer, check out the links in the description. Perfect for apartments, RVs, small kitchens, and medium families. Imagine weekday dinners ready in minutes, not hours. Air fry crispy fries, roast whole chicken, bake family pizza. New 2025 high-speed fan delivers 100% faster airflow. Faster airflow means quicker browning and crispier textures consistently. 1800W power fuels rapid preheat and intense convection. Convection system keeps layer temperature differences to 0 to 1 degree F. Cook multiple trays with true evenness and predictable results. Precision control, 50 to 450 degree in 5-degree increments. Adjustable fan speeds from 0 to 3 for airflow control. 10 pre-programmed presets simplify cooking across every meal. Air fry, bake, broil, toast, pizza, bagel, reheat included. Also waffle, dehydrate, keep warm, and frozen presets at hand. Customize pizza heating. Top and bottom heaters 0 to 100%. For thick pizza use 70% bottom, 30% top for crunch. Variable convection fan adjusts for perfect melt and crisp. Multi-mode heat lets you dial in zone-specific baking. Multi-layer cooking efficiency saves time and energy daily. Compact 21-quart cavity fits 12-inch pizza or 4 lb chicken. Also fits a 4 lb roast or 16-ounce fries. Perfect size for apartments, dorms, RVs, small kitchens. Enhanced interactive cool white LED display simplifies every setting. Rotary knob and clear icons for intuitive control refinement. Included accessories: air fry basket, baking pan, heavy-duty rack. Alt-removable crumb tray, recipe book, manual, quick start guide. Meticulously engineered with chefs and R&D for reliable performance. Quartz tube heating bars plus rear convection fan for speed. 3 times faster airflow, 2 times more even heating. Perfect browning, crisp skins, and uniform baking every time. Control cooks precisely. Fan, top, bottom temperature time. One appliance replaces multiple devices, clearing counter clutter efficiently. Save energy compared to full-size ovens for everyday use. Weeknight roast ready faster. Less waiting, more family time. Air fry frozen fries crispy in minutes, no extra oil. Bake 2-layer cookies consistently with even temperature across racks. Reheat leftovers without soggy textures or uneven hot spots. Toast 4 slices evenly for busy morning family breakfasts. Make perfectly melted cheese pizzas with crunchy golden crusts. Dehydrate snacks and meal prep ingredients for longer shelf life. Waffle preset produces restaurant-quality waffles fast and reliable. Keep warm function holds dishes at serving temperature without drying. Pizza shops, food trucks, and small cafes benefit from speed. Busy parents batch cook proteins while attending to kids. Apartment cooks get professional results without oversized appliances. RV travelers enjoy full cooking versatility on the road. Merchant listings highlight performance, compact footprint, and accessories. Bright LED display communicates modes, temperatures, time at glance. Dial in 5-degree increments for surgical cooking accuracy. Custom heat ratios let chefs craft signature pizza profiles. Experiment with fan speed to achieve crispness or tenderness. Stainless steel exterior resists stains and looks professional on counters. Removable crumb tray and accessories make cleanup fast and simple. Recipe book and quick start guide get you cooking immediately. Engineered and tested with chefs for repeatable, dependable results. Every feature designed for practical, everyday culinary improvements. Turn your counter into a miniature professional kitchen station. Perfect for singles, couples, and growing families managing time. Model fits seamlessly into small spaces without sacrificing capacity. Upgrade everyday cooking with Bravo Pro's speed and precision. Experience reliably crisp results and consistent multi-rack baking. Check presets, dial in temperatures, unlock new recipes tonight. Small footprint, big performance. Your kitchen's new workhorse. Ready to crisp, bake, roast, dehydrate, and impress daily. Order Bravo Pro today and transform weekday meals forever. Includes basket, pan, rack, recipe book, manual, quick guide. Bring professional level control and speed into your compact kitchen. Join thousands upgrading kitchens with faster, crisper, smarter cooking. Visit product page to compare specs and read customer reviews. Make meal prep quicker, cleaner, and more delicious starting now. Bring home the Bravo Pro. Precision meets practical convenience. Small space dwellers, busy families, and home cooks take notice. Invest in smarter countertop cooking that genuinely saves you time. Order now and start cooking confidently with Bravo Pro today.